Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anusha and today I'm going to do a DIY brow lamination. So let's just get started. So I got this Lash Lift kit from Christmas and I'm just going to follow the steps that's written right here. And I want to say before I begin, I am not a professional. It's a DIY and I saw some people do it and I was really curious to do it myself. So if you want to do this professionally, because I'm going to find out if this is going to work. So I already got my eyebrows done professionally, so they are waxed and trimmed and everything. So let's just dive right into this video. So first we're going to use the cleanser to remove the oil, dust and makeup residue. Number 4. So this right here. So I'm just going to use a Q-tip and just going. And I'm going to use the glue that's in the kit. You can also use your own glue, lash glue. And so now we're going to start to make the brows how you would like them. I'm going to use the perm. That's step 1. I think I'm just going to do this with a Q-tip. So So I'm going to leave this on for 10 to 12 minutes.
A few minutes later.
I'm going to remove it with the clean tool. For wiping it all off. Then apply number 2. Sorry. So now I'm going to apply number 2, the fixation. Wrap it up for 10 minutes again. And then the last step, use number 4, the cleanser again. And wipe it off with the wire brush. But I'm just going to do it with my Q-tip. And now they are done. So you can just like model them, they're not stuck or anything. And if you want to dye your hair, you can use like the Just for Men, I think it's the beard, Just for Men beard dye. I will leave a picture right here. If you want to, I could do a separate video about it. Please let me know. I would suggest to leave this for 24 hours. And so like no contact with water, no makeup. I'm just going to leave this like that it is. I will give you an update in the description box. If you like this video, please give it some thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.